Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your loan status on Upstart in 2025. So Upstart provides a way to check the status of your loan application or of existing loans at any time that you want, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Upstart account. So visit Upstart's website and sign into your account with your credentials. And once you're in, navigate to the loan dashboard to view your loan details. And there you can check your application progress. So if your loan is still under review, look for updates regarding verification status, approval or denial notice, as well as estimated disbursement date. Next, you can view your active loan details. So if your loan is approved and disbursed, your dashboard is going to show you the remaining balance, the next due date, the total interest paid, and the loan terms details. And you can enable notifications for status updates. So turn on email or text notifications to receive real-time updates about your application or loan activities. And you could also contact customer support for delays. So if your loan status hasn't changed for an extended period, you want to reach out to Upstart customer support as quickly as possible for assistance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.